In this video, I'll show you how to do green screen on Capcut. So if you have a green screen video, I'll show you how to move the background and then place it upon another video. So first open the app, make sure you have your green screen video ready. Click on the new project. First of all, select the base video you want to use. Then select the green screen video. Now place the green screen video upon the other video. With the green screen video selected, scroll down to background remover. Scroll to the right to background remover, then click on chroma key. Now with chroma key selected, you see that dot in the center. Click on that pointer in the center of the frame, drag it to the green color like that. Then leave it. Then go to click on intensity to slide it all the way to 100. You see that the green color is totally removed and you have a transparent video. Thanks for watching.